Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be continuing working on putting this engine in there. I don't know how far we're going to get. We're just going to start grinding. Let's get going. Oh no, it's out of fluid. All right, hit a bit of a snag. This thing leaked some jack oil, and now the extension doesn't go any further than this. But I did install this, so maybe we can take a look at how the oil looks. All right, it's the bottom bit of low. It smells like oil. No gas. Tastes good. I'm fairly certain that the steering shaft has to come out. So let's try to do that. Snake you in later. What kind of a driver they were. Not too bad.
Doesn't look that bad, huh?
No.
That was a pretty good driver then.
Bad.
What you think is?
Okay, good.
So you make one that you can tilt.
Yeah. Yeah, the oil pan has some bumps on the bottom. Took some hits.
More than likely when the car's spun around.
Alright, now I guess we can try to take this
Oil filter off?
cooler. It was that one.
Yeah, see?
Yep.
I should remember because all the Mopars with that have the bolt through the center.
Yeah.
That should have been the first thing we looked for. Once you put the nipple in here, the new filter should be right against
Correct,
this.
yeah. Windage tray, oil pickup. Signed DS2 27 2017. It's pretty cool.
You call them back and tell them the car was in an accident. The windage tray and gasket made it, but the car didn't.
I think that's it. Here we go. All right. We're gonna be here all night.
It looks pretty good. The bottom end doesn't look bad at all. You know, aluminum looks nice when it's first casted.
Once it gets that
a shot of salt or something.
Yeah. This looks sick.
There are O-rings around? Yeah, there's O-rings around there, right?
Yeah.
Put a little, I was going to say, put a little oil on it.
That works really well, actually.
Got it?
Yeah. Cool. It's on there.
It's almost going in.
Good.
Are you ready?
Yeah. They were down in the back.
You've landed.
I think that's okay. What do you
Yeah,
think?
I don't think it's going to do any damage. I would have liked to see the back a little higher though.
If we leave a little pressure on here, I think that.
Here's maybe what we do. Look. Look. How about like that?
Yeah, that's good. All right. We kicked some ass today.
Now, could I ask you one thing?
Yeah.
The only thing left to do now is put the motor mounts on.
Motor mounts, oil filter, the plug on the side there, and then as it's going in, we have to snake the headers in.
Yeah, that goes without.
So what did we do today? We popped off the clutch pressure plate. Basically, I'm looking for like burn spots or something. I don't see anything bad on there. Cool. So that all looks good. I turned it over by hand and it does move, so that's perfect. We put the new Holley oil pan on. This is the old one, old pickup. Everything looked good inside. This was a ton of work today. It's pretty much ready to go back into the car at this point. go back when I'm saying it's been in there before. I do have to get I have to get a 10AN plug for this side here. I did not buy that for some reason. I just gotta put in the thingy for here. Yeah, we're in great shape. I think the next step would be to drop it into the car. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. Huge thanks to my father-in-law for helping out with this today. Great, subscribe if you haven't, and you can catch the exciting conclusion here. So once again, thank you for watching. Always build responsibly, and I will see you next time.
I could do this all day. I'll be tired, but I could do this all. I enjoy this. Say when.
Okay, good.
Actually, you're supposed to say when.
When. Oh, we got a ton of tools to put away. Just gonna wrap this up really quick. Thought we'd have